In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Wix website without actually publishing it. This is a handy trick, especially when you want someone to review your site and provide feedback before going live. Let's dive in and see how you can do it seamlessly. First things first, go ahead and open up the Wix website editor. To do this, simply log into your Wix account and select the site you wish to work on. Once you're there, the editor will load and you'll be able to see your website layout. It's exciting, isn't it? You've put in all that creative effort and now it's time to share it with others for some constructive input. Now with the editor open in front of you, cast your eyes to the top menu bar. You'll notice several options there, but the one we're interested in is labelled Site. Click on it to reveal a drop down menu. This menu is like a control center for your website's features and functionalities. Clicking Site will show you several available actions. And this is where you can facilitate collaboration and feedback. Moving on, once you've clicked on Site, look for the option that says Get Feedback. This is a fantastic feature that allows others to view your site as if it were live without it being publicly published. By clicking this, you'll be able to access the feedback tools provided by Wix. After clicking Get Feedback, you'll need to share the link to your site with whoever you want feedback from. You'll see an option to copy link right on this page. Click on that and the link to your site version is copied to your clipboard, ready to share. It's that simple. For this step, you could decide whether you want to email the link, send it via a messaging app, or even drop it into a collaboration platform you're using. Whatever method you choose, just use this link to ensure your reviewers have access to your website's content, as you see it right now, minus all future edits and updates until you're ready to officially publish it. That pretty much covers the basics of sharing your Wix site without having to publish it. Remember, this feature is extremely useful when gathering early feedback, testing navigation, or getting a second opinion on your design and content. It helps you finesse your site and ensure everything is working as intended before you show the world. Whenever you're ready to move from private sharing to a full launch, Wix provides straightforward publishing options, but until then, using this feedback link keeps your site development process within the safe zone of personal collaboration. I hope you found this guide helpful. Practice makes perfect, so make sure to explore these features within Wix and friend by friend, refine your site before reaching the world. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.